Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Brushed aluminum running boards. An espresso brown ginger beige MB Tex interior. Sunroof. Coming around back, trailer hitch, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, power lift gate, fold down rear seats. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, brown eucalyptus wood trim, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, pedal shifters for extra performance, our media display. This one does come with the parking assistance package, which is going to give you a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, navigation, hard keys for our media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This GLE has 31,513 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.